What happened with this knife?
Katie happened with this knife. Yeah, she's lucky to be alive. All right, so today we've got a D11 that survived a buffer strike. And we're basically got to just take the whole thing off. Obviously, this is a little bit, we could probably fix some of that. But really the only way is to just come back behind that, because that's, you know, bent metal now and fatigue metal. So pretty straightforward. We're going to take it to the stone wheel and just basically have to remove this much to just kind of get it, you know, going to take off about 6 mils, a little more than 1/4 of an inch back there.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to use my stone wheel grinder just to take all this down. I got a little bucket of water there, so hop to it. All right, ready? Okay, so I think we've got all that out. Everything looks straight here on the blade there. So there's no more bend on there. So I think we bottomed out. And I think we can take care of the rest on the grinders, on the belt grinders. Okay, so I got a little bit of waviness to it here. So I'm just gonna straighten it out a little bit on the belt here, and then I'll take it to the 4x36. Nice and straight. All right, we'll take it over to the 4x36 and do the rest. All right, so now I'm just gonna do the basic sharpening on this, flatten it out a little bit more, go vertical. Then we'll start putting our bevels on. Okay. They're just more of a factory sharp. The cuts. The zoop zoop finish. The zoop zoop is effective. Alright, so the after. Quick D11 buffer repair. Be careful, kids.